Look at your arms. You see your arm? So I want you all to explain why did you do what you did? What made you paint Mayra like multiple colors? You just keep laughing.
Annoying.
Mayra's not annoying. What does that mean?
Fast.
Fast?
Yes, that's all.
What about his, Mayra? His arm and in his face.
What is this?
Because I feel like he's gentle.
Gentle.
No.
He's not that
Well, you just think that because you're so fast. I can't catch it.
What did you paint Kamryn as? What did you see?
Xavier, this looks really cool when I go like this.
A butterfly. What made you paint her as a butterfly? Like, what do you see about Kamryn? What does a butterfly mean to you? Happy. Bring me a mirror. Don't let me see. I almost saw myself. Bring me a mirror.
Mirror!
Mirror.
Hey, Kamryn.
So I did Jordan as kind of like, so I love the Egyptian styles and stuff, and I like doing really pretty makeup. So the way she carries herself, I guess, is kind of like real ladylike. So I kind of did a goddess kind of makeup. So
Ah, I love that.
and those are really colors that complement her skin color. So I was like, oh.
Wow. Okay, are you guys ready for the reveal? Open your eyes.
I actually really like it.
Come on.
Basically, I put the blue and white because they seem like very intelligent colors, and Xavier is a very intelligent dude here. The yellow because I see him being happy a lot of the time, and red because, well, this red, you can turn your head that way, thanks. This red because he's very violent sometimes, but
Yes.
this red here because he can also be, he's just very, like, emotional at the same time. He runs by his emotions and his wits.
Because I know he likes Halloween, so I did a little bit of Halloween with the blood.
But what do the...
I made it split because I feel like sometimes Billy is happy and joking a lot, and then the other side, I don't know why, I just like the skull idea. So I added the skull, but I added the gold and the yellow with the yellow tears because he can be emotional at the same time.
So both of you think one another can be emotional at some time.
Oh yeah, but we're both real smart people.
You are very smart people. So,
And so is Kamryn.
all right, is it recording? All right, you may open your eyes.
Oh, what the heck?
Xavier.
Oh, whoa. That is so close to my eye.
Oh my goodness.
I can't look at it properly because Xavier's making me laugh.
All right.